Hello guys, you're welcome back to our Academic Technology channel. Today we are going to learn how to land high-paying programming jobs in 7 steps. Don't worry, you don't really need a computer science degree to grab these high-paying jobs. The first thing you have to do is to master a few high-skill, in-demand technologies. You don't really need to know everything. Having basic or shallow knowledge of so many technologies cannot be compared to having deep knowledge of few technologies that are actually high in demand. Focus on technologies that are high in demand and learn them very well. For example, now you can actually master Java, you can master Python, you can master AI, you can make your life all about AI, master them very well. It can help you land a high-paying job than trying to know Excel, programming, graphics, video editing, and so many things at once. Alright, so master a few high in-demand technologies. The second one is to create a strong portfolio for yourself. Build a portfolio that communicates what you can do, what you've done in the past, and what you are doing. Prove to your employer that you can do it. If it's possible, add projects that you've done. On your portfolio, add varieties. Prove that you can actually work in so many different areas. Make them know where you've actually excelled in the industry. For example, I've done Windows application with VB.NET, I will put it there. I've done web application with PHP Laravel, I will put it there. I've done graphics design, I've done so many other things, so I will put every single thing I can do there to prove to them that in this industry I can excel in so many different departments. Add some variety in your project to show that you can work in so many different places. Show them all the places where you've excelled in. If you've worked as a front-end developer, put a project where you've worked as a front-end developer. If you work as a back-end developer, put a project where you've worked as a back-end developer. If you worked as full stack, if you worked as developer advocate, whatever you've worked as. If you've done Windows application before, just put those projects to show them that you are dynamic, that you are not the kind of employee that will come in and stay one place and will not adapt. The third one is to build an online presence. You need to build online presence. Talk about what you are doing, post them every day. It doesn't really need to do much. It can just be your progress while you are learning. 50 days of coding, start from day one, say things about what you are learning and what you've done. While you are putting out these things, you don't know that employers are everywhere observing and watching. You will be surprised that at the end of probably 1 year, when you've consistently put out these things online, you will see jobs coming into your DM even without you applying. The fourth one is to strengthen your soft skill. Programming, it's not money. Programming will not put money in your pocket. Learn communication skills, learn management skills, learn other skills that it's required to work in a working environment. A strong soft skills emphasizes your ability to communicate properly in a working environment, and it will give you an edge over all the applicants that are coming for a particular position. Another one is to get a certification or every other recommendation that can help you have an edge over your fellow applicants. When choosing a certification to go for, make sure that you choose from a credible source and a technology that is actually high in demand. Not like technologies that are phased out. Choose a technology that is high in demand and let the certification be from a credible source. For example, anybody can actually open up a website and start giving out certification. You have to know if it is from a credible source or not. The sixth one is to grow your network. Grow your online presence, grow your offline presence, attend conferences, attend interest group meetings, engage online. You will be amazed to see what you will learn during this course. Make valuable connections that will help you a lot during your job search. You might even meet your future employer on one of those conferences. So while you are job hunting, searching for this job, don't sit one place. Go out and grow, network with people. Go on internet, network with people, follow like minds. They will follow you back and you discuss. Get to know them and they will know you. From these places you might even get referral. The last but not the least is to get experience elsewhere. You must not get a full-time job for you to have experience. You can go and contribute on open source, you can go and be a volunteer, you can work as intern in a top company. There are so many opportunities where you work to get experience. Remember, on your resume, they will always look out for experience, for what you've done in the past and how well you've done it. And the company or the organization, with this point you've seen that you don't really need a computer science certificate to get a high paying programming jobs. All you need to do is to be consistent, be hardworking, be focused, and create an online and offline presence. Please remember to subscribe to our Academic Technology channel. We'll see you next time.